Yeah, just cheers.
I remember when they,
There you go.
Ooh, duh.
Oh yeah.
A bun in there, a hot dog bun,
I
and
just
then
started
a
with like a
burger.
little bit of crab and a guitar.
I hope I think like that.
Blakey.
I know that quite well. Yes, I did.
But like he had to go pee so bad one time, and we were driving in his truck, and he was so fidgety he couldn't hold still, and then all of a sudden he just stopped and he looked over at me and Savannah. He goes, "Oh, I went." And then we made it to the restaurant, and he stood up when he got out, and he was like full on peed pants, like. And he's like, it doesn't matter. Let's just go get food.
Evan. Culver. Kinnear.
Rock on, Aussie.
So tell us about each time we were created. Specifics. I mean,
Well, all 3 times were doggy style.
Number 5. Okay.
This one.
All right. Ready? Keep it right there. Nope. Keep it down there for me.
Yeah.
All right. Ready? Move that ball. Move that ball for me. This is right.
she didn't see us.
Put your hand out.